3D training, gagamitin natin is yung Ginger 2018-training software. Okay, for the exam. Kahit exam to, you're online anyway. Ito yung software na gagamitin for 3D training. Okay, and then first thing you see, 2 panels. On the left panel, dyan ang drawing panel natin. We treat this panel parang building repair or yung basic exam. And then on the right panel, pag i-click niyo yan, nawawala yung tools sa taas. Kasi for this panel, ang gagawin mo lang is yung mag-a-adjust ka lang ng height. You cannot draw on the right panel. And makikita nyo on the upper right side, may numbers doon, 1 of 2. Ibig sabihin yan, ima-match mo yung left panel to 2 images dito sa right panel. Pag pipindutin nyo to, or F1? Yeah, F1 or F2, magsiswitch yung images. Okay? Ayan, so makikita nyo yung 2 of 2 image, iba yung angle niya sa 1 of 2 image. Okay? Alright, tapos iba rin yung angle niya dito sa left panel image. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa 3D matching. Okay. Okay. Alright, so like I said, dito tayo sa left panel magdodraw. Okay? Treat it just like any building repair. Okay? Pagkakita nyo, nag-auto group siya for some reason. Anyway, you draw first the highest layer, just like sa basic exam or sa building repair. Tapos, pull nyo yung wall. Okay? Kung makikita nyo yung dun sa may right side panel, while I'm pulling the wall, gumagalaw yung purple and red dashed line. Okay? Anong i-match nyo dito? Huwag nyo pansinin yung purple line. Okay? Or yung purple label. Ang pansinin nyo, yung red dashed line. Okay? Yung red dashed line, dapat mo-connect siya sa corners ng building. Okay? Nung image ng building. Okay? So, pansinin nyo, hindi ko tinapat yung purple layer doon sa height ng building like that. No? Kasi hindi siya magmamatch pag ganyan. Kasi makikita nyo rin naman dito sa left panel, masyadong mahaba yung footprint. Okay? So, adjust ulit natin yan. Pansinin nyo yung red dashed line, guys. Ha? Sa corner tayo. Corner to corner. Dapat yung red dashed line. Okay lang na bitin yung height. Okay? Nung layer na ginawa nyo. Kasi, pwede nga natin siyang i-adjust. Okay? Wait lang, parang kulang pa. Here. Yan. Okay. So, pag nakagawa na kayo ng first layer dito sa left, puntahan nyo agad si right. Okay? I-adjust nyo agad yung, tawag dito? Yung height niya. Okay? I used shift click. Okay? Shift click, drag, tapos pataas. Okay? And kung nakita nyo, nag-red siya. Kanina, di ba, naka-orange siya. Ganyan. Big sabihin, pag nagagalaw kasi yung label sa my right side, okay, big sabihin you are matching them. Pag hindi siya nagalaw, or hindi pa siya matched ng maayos, it stays orange. Okay? So, since ginalaw ko siya, minatch ko siya manually, nag-red siya. Now, puntahan natin yung second layer, second image. Okay? F2. Okay? Okay naman siya. Right? Yung height ng building and kung nasan nakatapat yung layer, tama naman siya, right? Do I have to adjust this? Guys, sa mga mag-exam, do I have to adjust this layer? No. Okay. Hey, tapos ko na yung exam. Okay? Ayan. So, if I don't have to adjust this layer and gusto ko na siyang i-match, I press F3. Ayan. So, nag-ano siya, auto-match na siya sa, para sa, ay auto, not much, confirmed. Auto-confirmed na siya. Kasi kung papansin nyo dito sa may left part ng ginger, red is confirmed, orange is still unconfirmed. Okay? Alright. Pag red na siya dito, big sabihin confirmed na siya. Okay? Now, balik tayo dito sa left panel. Okay? We have to draw itong lower layer. Okay? Anong gagamitin nating tool, guys? You cannot unconfirm, Sir Oscar. Okay, yeah. We use the H tool, guys. Mag-H tool tayo dito para mag-trace dito sa upper layer. Okay? So, I'm guessing dito yung height, right? Nung lower layer relative to the wall ng upper layer. Okay. So, magdo-double dot na ako. Hindi na, I don't have to draw the other dots. Okay. Switch to F. Hover. And space. Ayan. Alright. So, medyo bitin siya dito. So, I can adjust that. Yeah, adjust natin yan. Okay. Now, pupunta naman tayo sa right side. Okay? I think we need to adjust this one kasi, yeah, you have to adjust it kasi masyado siyang mataas konti. Yan. Right? Now, let's go to the other view. Okay, tama na siya or you can lower it a little. Okay. I think that's good. Right? And then, balik tayo ulit sa left panel and we draw the lowest layer. Okay, H tool, switch to F, hover, space. Okay. Dito medyo mataas siya konti. Ay, mababa konti. Go to the next panel. And I think it's okay na. I don't have to do anything dyan. Okay, so I press F3. Dapat lahat ng lahat ng layers nyo, naka-red siya. Okay? And of course, the last thing you do is you group. Okay, just to make sure, even though naka-red dashed line agad siya, make sure na group nyo pa rin lahat. Okay? You select everything and you group. Ayan. Alright, so again, check natin lahat ng images. I think they're pretty good. Okay, so we can submit that.